If you've created a Patreon page but aren't getting many subscribers yet, don't worry. Growing on Patreon takes strategy and consistency. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get subscribers on Patreon step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to attract supporters and turn your audience into paying members. First, make sure your Patreon page is fully set up. This includes a clear profile picture, banner, and an engaging description. Explain what you offer and why people should support you. Your page should instantly communicate value. Next, create strong membership tiers. Offer different pricing levels with clear benefits for each. For example, you can provide exclusive content, early access, behind-the-scenes updates, or direct interaction. The more valuable your tiers feel, the more likely people are to subscribe. Now, promote your Patreon consistently. The biggest mistake beginners make is expecting people to find it on their own. Share your Patreon link on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or wherever your audience already follows you. If you create content on YouTube, mention your Patreon in your videos. Give viewers a reason to join by explaining what extra value they'll get. A simple call to action like, "Support me on Patreon for exclusive content," can make a big difference. Another important tip is to stay consistent with your content. If people see that you regularly post and deliver on your promises, they'll trust you more and be willing to subscribe. You should also engage with your existing supporters. Reply to messages, thank your patrons, and make them feel valued. Happy supporters are more likely to stay subscribed and recommend you to others. Offering limited time rewards or special perks can also boost subscriptions. For example, you can give early supporters a discounted tier or exclusive bonus content. In this tutorial, we learn how to get subscribers on Patreon by optimizing your page, creating valuable tiers, promoting consistently, and engaging with your audience. These strategies can help you grow steadily and build a loyal supporter base. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.